everyone, we are the manufacturer which is specializing in high-end furniture for 18 years. Most of people don't know how to choose furniture when they face variety products. Today, I will show you the real case of our clients. So this time the case from Joe in Indonesia. He found us on April this year from our social media. By communication, we knew that Joe has 4 layers villa of 800 square meters. The villa has 2 living rooms, 1 dining room and 5 bedrooms which are in Italian minimalist decoration style. After that, we had a video meeting with Joe to know more about his demand.
I saw too many furniture online, but I still feel confused. Can you give me some suggestion?
Yeah, sure. You can let me know your requirements.
Okay, I hold the sofa on the first floor living room can be placed flexible. Then I hold a dining table with 6-seater because my parents will come to my home and have a meal frequently. And last, I like to lean on the bed so I hold the headboard can be bigger and softer.
We made a matching solution based on Joe's requirements after several times communication, so that he can directly experience the products when he comes to our showroom. After 1 week, Joe came to visit our showroom to experience our products' quality and craft according to our matching solution. Joe doesn't like this bed is our lowest bed.
What's the size?
Actually, this bed is based off 2 headboards, so the size will be almost 4 meters. After selecting the products, we recommend some material and color based on Joe's new house style and life habits. Finally, Joe has ordered more than 30 pieces furniture from Plea HOMELAND. He encountered some trouble after he arrived at home just for a while. We got his message to ask us for help. Finally, on 2nd June, the furniture was delivered to Joe's house. Let us see the final matching effect. First floor living room, we match a bedside sofa which has the characteristic of flexible module combination to offer many space matching possibilities for the clients. The beige linen material shows the minimalist and the relaxed style, adding a touch of bright color to the entire space by matching a yellow suede leather leisure chair. The basement living room in natural style, so we match a large sofa called flower sofa. It's very cozy and relaxed. In dining room, we choose the round-shaped table which makes dinner more intimate and meets clients' number demands. Central turnable table makes the food delivery more convenient. For the chair, we selected a light color and the rear leather chair made the whole space more cozy. In the bedroom, we choose the Lawrence bed. The width headboard is made of suede leather and the linen fabric filled with feather and high-density foam to meet the needs of customers to place their mobile phone when they lean on the headboard. The light gray Allen leisure chair at the foot of bed makes the space fuller. Thanks for watching. If you want professional service, come to Plea HOMELAND.